You know what? Not much I can do, but I'm trying to bring it out. I know it's because that's me. You got to do it again. I'm listening, I love you. Even when I don't have any
You do a lot.
so, would you marry me?
Yay! Congratulations! That's gorgeous! That is gorgeous! She wasn't looking at it. She was just so excited.
You are down.
Oh.